Restrictions of Ihram unique to women. Covering the face or hands with clothing. If a woman is in an uncomfortable situation, uncomfortable with the gaze of a strange man, she may turn around or hold a piece of cloth or some barrier in front of her face, but it may not be worn with contact directly onto her face. She may otherwise dress in whatever modest, drab, and comfortable clothing and shoes which work for her. My suggestion is a loose-fitting natural fiber cloth of a lighter color so as to be breathable and not get too hot while staying modest. Do not underestimate how hot it will be. Natural fibers are important because oftentimes women's abayas are made out of polyester or synthetic materials, which will just end up, no matter how thin they will end up being hot like a garbage bag in the Haramain Sharifain. A woman may enter Ihram while in menses and may perform all the rites of Hajj except for Tawaf and Sa'i, both of which may be validly delayed due to the onset of menses.